to connect Dropbox? Let's streamline your document chaos into organized intelligence with RecordsKeeper.AI. Navigate to Sources and Sync, select Link Storage. Select Dropbox and click Continue. Name your storage. I'll call mine Finance for easy reference. Click Connect Now. The system works its magic in the background, connecting and processing. Select your folder. Click Add to RecordsKeeper.AI and watch the sync begin. You'll get instant notifications when connection succeeds. While syncing happens, check your success guide for optimization tips. View process documents and overview for recent files. Or search and filters for detailed sorting by source type. See this finance document? AI automatically assigns unique keys, generates insights, creates tags, and structures everything perfectly. Finance documents go under finance and accounting, taxation and compliance. Dropbox integration, done. Seamless, automated, intelligent document processing at your fingertips. Try now. Transform your document management today.